Hey, welcome back, Rankers. Sorry if we get a bit of noise today. There's a lot of heavy weather about and playing havoc with the studio. I'm off to Cairns this afternoon, and for those of you who don't know where it is, it's a long way away from where I am. It's about 32 hours drive up north in the tropics. And we'll be talking about basically things that you can do on your site today to boost your revenue, right? So it'll be a lot of fun. But the sorts of things I'm going to be talking about, and I'll just show you, because I've been doing this a long time. And when you see stuff that you haven't seen before, you go, oh, well, that's very interesting. I hadn't seen that before. And that's certainly what's happening since we have moved to focusing on revenue for clients. So let me just show you the one to start with. There's a lot of myths, I guess, about the way that we use the web. And we always used to get told by clients, oh, I never click on the ads. That was basically in 2009, something like that. Everyone clicks on the ads now. All right, so if you're one of those people that don't click on the ads, you're a minority now, okay? Because people don't care anymore. And here's a case in point. So you can see here, this is organic traffic, and this is month on month. Year on year. So March, as up till yesterday, versus March last year. And you can see there we've had a massive drop in organic traffic. We've had a 31% decrease in organic traffic, and 23% of that, and 23% decrease in mobile, I should say. So some massive drops there. You can see that sessions are down, bounce rates worse, pages per session slightly better, average session duration down, e-commerce conversion rate down, although mobile is up a lot, which is good. And then you have a look at transactions are down, but then you have a look at this, revenue was up. What? Yeah, revenue was up. And you can see on mobile, it's up significantly. Now, that's less traffic, more money, right? And the reason there's less traffic is because we've got a Google Ads campaign going as well, which is absolutely killing it on mobile. So let's not forget, when you do a search on mobile, most of the screen that you will see for most searches is just going to be ads, right? So this is why people say, advertise your brand, right? Because you don't know who else is going to be there. You don't know what other terms people are going to associate with your brand, whether someone else has got a broad match on those other terms, all these other things. So, and basically, obviously, you've got to measure, right? So you've got to measure you're getting the right return. And we go down now to the a very granular level, because I want to understand what's happening with certain devices, with certain navigation functions or certain products. Do we find that people on mobile behave differently? Well, yeah, they do. We know that. And the main thing is that they want to do is they want to find things quickly. So when I have a look at this, this is let's just say it's a navigation feature that we've put in. And it's a way just to help users find what they want. And what I'm looking at here now is organic sessions, so people coming in from Google, from SEO work. And you can see there we've had double the amount of mobile users use this function, which is what it was for. So they couldn't get to it before, they couldn't see it before. Now it's easier for them to see. And you can see there Google has actually, well, this isn't new traffic from Google. This is new traffic using that function, I should say. But it's worked, I would say, by anyone's standard. Even though our e-commerce conversion rate's down overall for desktop, we've had a 418% increase in revenue through that channel. And that much of it, 8,600%, has been mobile, who the design change was for. So tick, that one's worked. Now, some may say, well, so I'm not worried about these figures that say where our session times are down or any of those sorts of things. overall, the site, and this is, once again, we're looking at year on year for March. And this is, what's that? That's an extra above last year, 85%. So we're up 85% revenue for this retailer on last year. And those changes that we've been doing this month have all been about helping the user solve the problem quickly. They've all been about essentially speed. Speed of transaction, speed of finding the product, speed of the page loading, and these are all really just performance issues. And if I could tell you one thing that you could do, like even though that last one I showed you of 8,600% seems extraordinary, and it is, it's basically all we're doing is helping the user get to their purchase as quickly as they can. And this is why I don't worry about things like bounce rates or session times, as you saw with that organic. Everything was down. Everything was down. So, and if you just focus on your e-commerce conversion rate, you're going to get yourself into trouble as well. If all of a sudden you get a lot more new traffic, as we can just see here, as we saw before, one of them's 48% down on the conversion rate, but the revenue is way up. So it's important to focus on the right things, and that's what we're going to be doing at Cairns tomorrow, and talking and showing people how we do these things. And if you'd like to know more, then please subscribe and share. And we've got the book coming out, so if you want a copy of that, just email getstuffgoogle@stewartmedia.biz. We'll see you next week. Thanks very much, everyone. Bye.